Students, already we have studied the rules of divisibility. That is, without making the division problem, you know how to give the answer whether the given number is divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisible by 4, up to 10. Now, you have studied the divisibility rule from 2 to 10. Now, today we shall study some more divisibility rules. Some more divisibility rules. Now let us take one number. Take a number 12. This number 12 is divisible by 6. 12 is divisible by 6. 12 is one number. This number 12 is divisible by 6 completely. Now we can divide this number 12 by each factors of 6. Factors of 6 is equals to 1, 2, 3 and 6. Already the given number 12 is divisible by 6. Now the same number 12, we can divide the same number 12 by 2 and 3 also, because 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. So any number divisible by other number, the same number will be divisible by the factor of other number. So if any number is divisible by other number, if any number is divisible by other number, then the same number will be divisible by each factor of that number. Here the number 12 is divisible by 6. Now the same number 12 is also divisible by 2 and 3, because 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. So this is one more divisible rule. Now similarly, if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their product also. Let us take for example 80. Now let us take one more number. Take number 80. 80 is divisible by 4 and 5. Take number 80. This number 80 is divisible by 4 and 5. 80 is divisible by 4 and 5. 4 and 5, these are co-prime numbers. 4 and 5 co-prime, these are the co-primes. Then the same number will be divisible by product of these two coprimes. So then 80 will be divisible by product of these two coprimes, by product of 4 and 5, that is 80 is divisible by 4, 4 20s are 80. Then similarly 80 is also divisible by 5, 5 16s are 80. Now 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers. The same number 80 will be divisible by product of 4 and 5. Product of 4 and 5 is 20. 24s are 80. So if any number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, if any number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then the same number will be divisible by product of the co-prime numbers. Here the number is 80. This number 80 is divisible by 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are the co-prime numbers. Co-prime means the numbers which have 1 as their common factor. 4 and 5, they have the common factor 1 only. Therefore 4 and 5 are the co-prime numbers. 80 is divisible by two co-prime numbers, that is 4 and 5. So then the same number 80 is divisible by the product of 4 and 5. So this is another one divisibility rule. Therefore if any number is divisible by two co-primes, then the same number will be divisible by the product of the co-primes, the product of the co-prime numbers. Similarly, let us study one more divisibility rule. Students, take two numbers 16 and 20. Take two numbers 16 and 20. 16 is divisible by 4, 20 is divisible by 4. These two numbers are divisible by 4. Both 16 and 20 are divisible by 4. Then take the sum of these two numbers 16 plus 20. Sum of these two numbers is 16 plus 20 is 36. Now once again their sum 36. It is also divisible by 4. Therefore then 36 is also divisible by 4. Two numbers 16 and 20. 16 is divisible by 4. 4 4s are 16, remainder 0. Similarly, another number 20, by dividing 20 by 4, 4 divides 20 completely. 4 5s are 20. Remainder 0. Take the sum of 16 and 20. Take the sum of the given two numbers. Sum of 16 and 20 is 36. Then their sum is also divisible by 4. 4 9s are 36. If two numbers are divisible by any one number, if two numbers are divisible by one number, then the sum of those numbers will be divisible by the same number. Therefore, if two numbers are divisible, by a number. If two numbers are divisible by a number, then the sum of those two numbers will be divisible by the same number. This is one more divisibility rule. Next, similarly, let us take another two numbers. We will study one more divisibility rule. Study one more divisibility rule by solving some problems. Let us take the two numbers 24 and 30. 24 and 30. Now, these two numbers are divisible by 6 because 24 is divisible by 6. 6 4s are 24, remainder 0. Similarly, the number 30 is divisible by 6. 6 5s are 30, remainder 0. Now, the two numbers are divisible by 6. Two numbers are 24 and 30. These two numbers are divisible by 6. Now, find the difference of these two numbers. What is the difference of these two numbers? Difference of 30 and 24 is 30 minus 24 is equal to 6. Their difference is also divisible by the same number. If two numbers are divisible by any one number, then their difference is also divisible by the same number. This is one more divisibility rule. Therefore, the statement says that if two numbers are divisible by a number, then their difference is also divisible by the same number. So, this is also one more divisibility rules. So students, today we have discussed about some more divisibility rules.